What is ERP software? Simple explanation. A lot of business software sounds more complicated than it really is, and ERP software is one of the best examples. The name feels technical, expensive, and a little intimidating. That is why many people assume it is only for huge companies with endless departments and complicated systems. But the real idea is much simpler than that. And once you understand the one problem ERP is trying to solve, the whole thing starts to make sense very quick. The interesting part is that ERP is not really about software first. It is about fixing a business problem that gets worse as the company grows. What is ERP software in simple terms? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. In simple English, it is software that helps a business manage different parts of the company in one connected system. Instead of using one tool for sales, another for inventory, another for accounting, and another for operations, an ERP tries to bring those areas together so they can share the same information. That does not mean everything becomes easier overnight, but it does mean the business is no longer constantly moving data from one place to another by hand. So the simplest definition is this: ERP software is a central system that helps a business run its core operations in a more connected way. How does ERP software actually work? This is where the term starts sounding more useful and less abstract. An ERP system usually works through shared data. If a sales team creates an order, that information can flow into inventory, purchasing, shipping, and finance without this department retyping the same details. If stock changes, the system can reflect that change across the business. If an invoice is created, accounting can see it too. That is the real engine behind ERP. It is not magic, it is just one system helping different teams work from the same version of the truth. And that is exactly why businesses start looking at ERP once separate tools begin creating mistakes, delays, or confusion. What is ERP software used for in real life? In practice, ERP software is often used to manage areas like inventory, orders, accounting, purchasing, production, customer data, and sometimes human resources. A smaller business might use it to stop overordering stock or to keep finance and sales aligned. A larger business might use it to coordinate warehouses, suppliers, and reporting across multiple locations. The important thing is not the feature list, it is the outcome. ERP is meant to reduce duplicated work, make information easier to find, and help the business run with fewer disconnected systems. That sounds straightforward, but it also reveals the hidden reason companies adopt. Why do businesses choose ERP software? Most businesses do not adopt ERP because they want more software. They adopt it because they are tired of manual work, mismatched numbers, and teams operating in silos. When data is spread across too many tools, people waste time checking which number is right, which file is current, and whether another department already updated something. ERP is attractive because it can reduce the friction and give managers a clearer view of what is happening. That said, ERP is not automatically the right move for everyone. It can take time to set up, and a business with very simple needs may not need that level of structure yet. What ERP really means. Here is the easiest way to think about it. ERP software is the system a business uses when separate tools are no longer enough. That resolves the question from the beginning. ERP is not just big company software. It is a way of connecting the important parts of a business so they stop working like separate islands. And once you see that, the term becomes much less intimidating. ERP simply means one connected system helping the business plan, track, and run its day-to-day operations with less confusion. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.